Chivhayo, a name that often pops up in flamboyant news stories, made a bizarre announcement. "My ghost has to go. I have to say goodbye to my ghost," he declared with an air of mystery that could rival any thriller movie. Now, if you're wondering who or what this ghost is, you're not alone. The whole situation was wrapped in suspense. Chivhayo, in a dramatic twist, said this ghost was actually a car, a lavish gift to his best friend Sabc, a prominent member of the ZANU-PF party. But here's where it gets really intriguing. This wasn't just any gift, it was a part of a massive $40 million election scandal. This story isn't just about high-end cars or political gifts. It's a tale of how deep corruption can seep into the electoral processes. Chivhayo's action was allegedly meant to offload liabilities and mass corruption in election fund misappropriation. So why should we care? Well, this isn't just a localized incident. It's a powerful reminder of the need for transparency and accountability in political funding and elections everywhere. These acts can undermine the very foundation of democratic practices and trust in public institutions. The reaction to this revelation was a mix of outrage and disbelief. Calls for thorough investigations and accountability surged. Everyone from local citizens to international observers are watching closely, hoping for justice and reforms that prevent such scenarios in the future. All right, let's think about this. If a car can be a ghost, what else might be lurking in the shadows of political and financial transactions worldwide? It's a chilling thought. This scandal serves as a crucial lesson on the importance of vigilance and the role each of us plays in safeguarding the values of fairness and transparency. So, the next time you hear about a political donation, it might be worth taking a closer look. Who knows what you might uncover? Thanks for tuning in, stay curious, stay vigilant, and as always, thanks for watching.